All right, well, we're gonna jump in this creek and we're gonna do some micro lure fishing with my Zebco 33, and I'm also gonna put the GoPro down in the water and hopefully we can get some cool shots. That's on the agenda today, and look for some arrowheads of course on the way back, but that's it. All right, let's get it. Here's the idea. Drop the GoPro in water. As long as I don't go deeper than 25 feet, I think it is. I can't remember. But I just know I'm gonna be finding this little hole. Let's check her on out. Well, sorry I didn't get any more structures. I got a little distracted, but who would have thought a Zebco and a GoPro would be so fun? I know I had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. But you know, like I said, I got a couple ideas. You know, I want to get on the boat and show what the Garmin's showing on the, you know, I got side view and down view. Well, drop it down and see what down view is all about. I think it'd be kind of cool. There's a couple of times it shows so many different kinds of fish. I'd love to see what they are. So now we're going to. But thanks for watching and have a good one.